Second Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal, sir. Paramveer Chakra. Second Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal was born on 14th October 1950 in Pune, Maharashtra. He martyred in the Battle of Basantra during the war 1971 Indo-Pak War, where his actions earned him much di- deserved Paramveer Chakra. Arun Khetrapal, father Brigadier M.L. Khetrapal, was served in the Indian Army, and his family traced as long history of military service. Khetrapal joined NDA National Defence Academy in 1963. In June 1971, Khetrapal was commissioned in IMA Dehradun in the 17th Pune Horse. During the war, 17th Pune Horse was assigned to the command of 47th Infantry Brigade of Indian Army. Among the tasks set for 47th Brigade was to establish the brigade across the river Basandra. By 15 December, the brigade had captured its objective. However, the place was extensively mined. With some help from engineers, 17 Pune Horse decided to push through the minefield. The regiment was able to establish the link between the armored and the infantry at the bridge head by first light to the next day. In December 16, Pakistan 30 Lancer equipped with the then state at the art of US made 50-ton Patton tanks launched the first of their counterattack under the cover of smoke screen at B Squadron on the Pune Horse at Jarpal. Its squadron commander urgent called the reinforcement. Arun Khetrapal, who was a squadron and was stationed close by with his Centurion tank group, with alacrity with alacrity, as did the rest of his regiment. The first counterattack was decimated by accurate gunner coolness by our tank troop and individual tank commander from the iconic CO Lieutenant Colonel, later Lieutenant General Hanuj Singh Paramveer Chakra, withdraw to its dashing troop leader Arun Khetrapal. Khetrapal, leading his troop, was able to thwart the enemy advance with his tank and even captured some of the enemy infantry and weapon crews at gunpoint. However, Pakistani forces regrouped and counterattacked. In the ensuing tank battle, 10 enemy tanks were hit and destroyed, in which Khetrapal accounted for 4. In the war, in the zone of war, Khetrapal sir alone have counted 4 tanks alone. The skirmish, however, took its toll on Lieutenant Arun as he was hit by enemy fire. His final words over the radio on the superior officer who had ordered him to abandon the burning tank were, "Sir, no, sir. I will not abandon my tank. My gun's still working and I will get those bastards." But soon his tank received a second hit and he was martyred injured. The officers met his death, denying the Pakistani army they intended breakthrough, getting an example of supreme sacrifice. At the age of 21, Arun Khetrapal martyred his life just to not let the Pakistani soldier to invade India. Pakistanis were actually using the Americas, the US made 50-ton tanks. The name was tank was 50-ton tanks, and the Indians were using the centurion ranks. His line, the last words of Arun Khetrapal was, "No, sir, I will not abandon my tank. My gun is still working. I'll get these bastards." We also know the last line of Major Somnath Sharma, the Paramveer Chakra. He was the first Paramveer Chakra, and the Major Arun Khetrapal, Lieutenant Arun Khetrapal, Paramveer Chakra was this one who have also got the Paramveer Chakra. The line of Major Somnath Sharma was, "The enemy are only 50 yards away from us. We are heavily outnumbered. We are under devastating fire. I shall not withdraw an inch and will fight to our last man and our last round."